2022 Ford Maverick. This is how you get to the cabin filter. It's going to be behind your glove box. First step is going to be to disconnect the damper that you have here. You're going to need something to squeeze this part right here to disconnect it, or you can just have a little screwdriver and just push it. But once you get it kind of loose, it'll just pop right off. Then there are these stoppers for the glove box. All you do is push them in on both sides, and the glove box will come down. Cabin filter's in here. What you gotta do is be really careful not to break these tabs off, but push them outwards. Okay. On both sides here. And the door will come down. And here's the filter right here. All I gotta do is pull it right out. This one's brand new because this truck is brand new. So when you get your new one, you just slide it right back in there. Good to go.